Okay, guys, I'm coming to you with a quick hairdo that's under 20 minutes. I'm showing you Carefree Curl Gold. I always have that instant activator. I love that because it gives a lot of moisture to your hair. To my hair, it gives a lot of moisture, even though it kind of look dry on here. You can't tell, but it's actually wet, and it moisturizes your ends and your hair. This is a quick do. Usually I have a larger comb, but like I said, this is quick, a hairstyle under 20 minutes. I have an event that I have to do some readings for some clients that I have, so it's like just a quick hairstyle I just needed to do without straightening my hair or doing anything. So what I'm doing is combing it up, and I'm using Edge Wax Control. It's a little gel, like a little cream that you put in your hair. You only need a little bit. Don't see how much. Just a little bit on your comb. And what I do, I rub it on my hands, and I rub it through the parts that I'm trying to control. So which is starting with the back. Usually you'll have like a wider comb due to tangles and everything. But look, I'm good. I cut my hair. My hair been long, short, down my back. Cut to a boy's cut. It's been through it all, so I can easily. But I'm using a smaller comb to control more of the edges. You can also use a brush to brush it up with, but I chose to use a comb. Like I said, this is real quick. And I'm combing through the product, through the hair, so that way it can control the sides, the front, the places that I'm trying to control to put together in a ponytail. So I'm smoothing my hair up, putting in a ponytail. Like I said, I would normally use a brush for the back to like really make it tight, brush it together, but a comb will do. If you're trying to be neat about it, this is, like I said, an under 20-minute style, trying to be like a little quick with it. So I'm combing it up, brushing it up into a ponytail, my little ponytail there. And y'all don't make fun of my edges. I don't give a damn. I don't. My edges from years ago, I let a girl do my hair. She kind of messed it up, and took a while for my hair to grow, and my edges never came back the way it was. I used to be afraid to show my edges, but I don't give a damn. I'm 43 years old. Hey, it is what it is. So those of you that have trouble with edges, don't be ashamed. Hey, at least you got hair. As long as it grows, it don't matter. Hey, they have all kinds of stuff to maintain a style. It don't matter. Your edges don't make a difference. Ha 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 ha. Making a joke of myself. But anyway, so I combed it up to a ponytail with little bit edges I have. I'm brushing it with, you see, a old toothbrush. I got a little bit of the edge control on there. And I'm doing it quick. Usually I do it neater, but I mean, if like I said, I'm doing it quick. But if you're good with brushing your sides down and gelling it, making little swirls, you can. But it's just something quick because it's going to be covered up anyway. So I'm not really particular on that, because usually I make it neater and make it swirly and all that, where you can't even tell. But like I said, I'm gonna have it covered up, so it's no big deal. I have shorter hair, so I'm just braiding it up in a little ponytail and wrapping around the rubber band. So for those of you who have longer hair, of course, you're gonna need a bobby pin. I didn't need a bobby pin. Those of you don't have shorter hair than me, you may not even need to do that. Just wrap it around the rubber band. And what I'm using is hair that's out the braiding pack. It's been used before. I had it in before, but it usually already comes with a rubber band around it in the middle. It broke, so I actually put one on. Usually I use elastic bands, little small elastic instead of the regular rubber bands, because it can pull the hair, tear the hair if you're not careful, if you just pull it out. But because I know how, I just put that in, and plus they'll give it more hold. It's more sturdy, more firm. And what you do, it already comes in the pack. The braiding hair, just regular braiding hair, 1 pack of braiding hair. If you want your ponytail thicker, you can use 2. Well, I just needed was a quick ponytail, so it already comes split like that in the middle, the rubber band in the middle, and it's easy for you to split the pieces, as you see right there. See, it already comes just like that. You just split the 2 pieces to the side. Look at me, I'm just a clown. The little hair on in my face, and because it's old, it's some hair needs to be cut at the end. But look at me, I'm just a clown. I like to clown around. So what I'm gonna do is split that one side. I'm gonna split it in 2, and as you see how I'm grabbing, I'm going a little slow. For those that don't know how to do just a regular twist, you can also braid it as well if you're already advanced. But there's different ways you can do it, but I just chose to twist it. And I'm grabbing it with one hand, twisting it around, grab with the other hand. You see how the formation is of my hand? Just grab it. Use the other hand, pull it around, grab it. Use the other hand to grab the other side, grab it, pull it, grab it, pull it, grab it, hey, pull it, hey, grab it, pull it. So I'm just, once you get the gist of it, just go ahead all the way down to the end. All the way down to the end. Yeah. So I'm just going all the way down the end. And once you get to the end, all you do is tuck. Let me see. I'm getting a elastic rubber band. Sometimes you can use one or not. I just made this video real quick, so I didn't even have all of my materials actually laid out, but it's just something I just wanted to show real quickly. And also I show my daughter certain hairstyles to do real quick, since I'm not with her. But yeah, see where I'm tucking it? Yep, just tuck it, the end. Just put a rubber band around it. Make sure it is firm and tight, so you can't use no more, and then just let it go. And it's gonna unravel a little bit, of course, but that's fine. And then I'm gonna do I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. With this, you don't need product. You don't need product, just something basic. Like I said, a quick under 20-minute hairstyle. And I'm going to do the same thing. Just get as close to the top as possible as you can. You can split it in 2 the same way. And you're going to do the same thing. Grab it. There you go. Yep, to the top as possible. So grab it, twist, 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 grab it, and twist. You just keep doing it all the way down. And also I want to show you the formation of my hand. See how it's just grabbing the two pointer and the thumb. Yep, see, that's how I grab it. That's how you just keep your hand and just point and twist. Just a regular tool you use, just your hand. Just grab it, twist, and go all the way down the same way you did on the other side. And we're gonna put a rubber band at the end the same way we did that. All right, so at the end we're gonna put the rubber band at that, and as you see, because it's older hair, I usually have I didn't have no scissors handy, and I just didn't want. Usually you cut it with shears, but I'll just grab that piece and throw it away. I mean, because I probably won't use that hair again. So just like I said, it's a quick style under 20 minutes. Save time, save money, do your own hair, be your own professional stylist. You can also do this on your daughter or somebody else. Hell, you can make some money from it. From a quick, under 20-minute style. And as you see, okay, so there it go. You got your 2 twists. That's it. Don't have to be neat. You don't have to be a professional doing it. Stick it to my earrings. My earrings won't grab everything. So what I'm going to do is, which piece do I want to wrap around? You can make your own design, own style, however you want it, whatever piece you want to start. But what I'm doing, just wrapping around the ponytail, the base ponytail, just wrapping around real quickly, just wrapping around. And then, like I said, I didn't have my shears, because usually I would cut that. But what I'm doing, I'm tucking it underneath the twist. And I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Yeah. Just quickly, just a bobby pin. And all I used was 2 bobby pins for this style. Some people like a little more for security. All I needed was 2. Because once it's in there, it's in there. Voila! All right. And those fret pieces, all you have to do is cut with shears. If you have any fret pieces. So this one, you can decide which way you want to go. You can go around whichever fits. Like I said, I'm trying not to use as many bobby pins in my hair. So if I have to use an extra bobby pin, I'm going to try another way to get it tight. So I was going to go one way. So I decided I'm going to go the other way. Actually, the same direction as I did before. I would just twist it around. Don't make it tight, but just make it wrap around where it's just firm, it's steady. And like I said, I made this video real quick. And I know I had 2 bobby pins. Where is the bobby pin? Where is the bobby pin? What the hell I do with the other bobby pin? I had 2 laid out. Can't find it. Still trying to find the bobby pin. Also, like I said, the back afterwards, you can if you brush it up, you can make it real tight. Like I said, I didn't care about that because I'm gonna have something around it, so it wasn't like unnecessary. Yep, ha! Found one of the bobby pins right there in my face. So what I'm gonna do is just clip that in as well. Secure that. All right, voila! Quick and easy. You can actually design it, but as you see, it's a few stray hairs there. So what I want to do is get the shears, which I should have already had. All right, I'm back. Look, my earrings want to grab everything. So what I'm doing now is taking the shears and just cutting off some of the fray ends. And it's not your hair is already secured in ponytail, so you're not cutting your hair. You're just cutting the frayed ends. That's there. Look like I missed one. Yeah, right there. Just slicking it down. I don't even know why. Just slicking it down so when you put the piece in, you know, at least it looks like neat, a little neat in the front. Like it's a full hair, like it's all done nice and neat, but it's really not. And you can use mascara, you know, as far as if you have like a spot that's want more hair, you can put a little mascara in and still use that same old toothbrush to match it in. But like I said, I'm covering it. And also, you can use any piece, like any accessory to decorate the ponytail. Make it like, you know, you can put a little crown in it, some barrettes, little pieces in your hair just to decorate it. You're a queen, you're a crown. Wear your crown, girl. Wear your crown. You can put it, you know. My head is small. I got a little teeny head, but as my husband always said, you got a peanut head. So that's one accessory. I have many accessories that I could use. You could use so many different accessories, a headband, a scarf or whatever. But I also cut fabric. Save money. Like I said, save money. My thing is saving money. If you don't have to spend money, I spent no more than $2.99 for this pack of hair. This one pack of hair. That's all I spent. So I cut fabric from, like, it could be curtains or skirts or things I'm giving to Goodwill. Just cut some fabric off. That's why I did. I cut fabric off from a dress. And like I said, you can use a headband or any accessory you would like to use. And Starr, you know that's not secure. I don't know what I was doing. I was really rushing because I looked at time like, oh shoot, I got to get this done. But I should have secured it a little better. But I mean, this is just an example of what you can do. Like I said, you can put, like, even at the top of the bun, you can put little pins in, like little decorated pieces yeah, I'm trying to get it tight there, but it's not, to decorate the ponytail, your little ponytail. So it's however you want to do, or you can just wear it plain, just something simple. So I'm seeing this not like really tight on there, but hell, you can put that in a headband on your little crown. All my women are queens, goddesses. So hey, wear your headband sometime, your crown, wear your crown. But you can put that on there as well. Like I said, it's a little loose. Got peanut head. For those of you who have small heads, you know what the hell I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is just tie it so it can be more secure. Some of you don't have this problem. But just secure it, tie it, and just tuck it. Tuck one side in, then, yeah, making sure that's tucked in. And then you're just going to tuck the other side in. Yeah, that's more secure. I don't want it slipping off while I'm doing my clients. So it's just something quick and cute. Quick and cute, something, Yeah, like I said, you can decorate your bun if you like. I may change the scarf, may do something else with it, but hey, just like I said, under 20-minute hairdo. Thank you for joining. And this is the after look, like, just showing off, Hey, got my little sunshades on, ready to ride. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more videos. If you like more quick videos, how-to videos under 20 minutes, please let me know. Comment below. Don't hurt to subscribe to the channel. And please like, share, and comment. And if you suggest any other videos that you would like me to do, just let me know. Sending you love, energy, and good light. God bless, my queens.